Ninth Standard Sociology, Chapter 2, Socialization. Exercises. First main, fill in the blanks with suitable words. First one, the changing process of human being as a social being is called dash. Answer is socialization. Second one, mother is the first dash of a child. Answer is teacher. Mother is the first teacher of a child. Third one, the important agency of socialization is dash. The important agency of socialization is family. Fourth one, radio is an agency of dash. Radio is an agency of mass media. Let's move to second main. Discuss the following questions. First question, explain the role of school in the process of socialization. The role of school is very crucial in the socialization process. In schools, the child is not only influenced by the teachers but also by its friends and classmates. The social behavior, knowledge, and experience of the child are molded by the education. Subconscious capacity of the children is also developed. School will extend his or her life and make them ready for social life. The role of teacher in the socialization process of the child is very crucial. Various positive aspects that find expression in teachers like good behaviors, equality, and goodwill get reflected in the children as well. This enables children develop love, cooperation, tolerance, co-living, mutual respect, and other various values in their life. Apart from this, teachers need to motivate children to take part in various co-curricular and extracurricular activities. These are all the role of school in the process of socialization. Let's move to second question. What are the values learned by a child from the family members? The values learned by a child from the family members are love, concern, faith, patience, cooperation, coordination. These are all the values learned by a child from the family members. Let's move to third question. Explain the social importance of socialization process. converts human being into social being, provides the scope of adopting, imitating and learning of many skills, develops the social relationship and provide commitment and support to the social system, helps the development of personality, helps the continuity of tradition. These are all the social importance of socialization process. Question number 4. Mention what does the socialization indicates. Answer is the process of learning social behavior and the process of becoming social being is called socialization. Socialization is a process in which all the members of the society live in accordance to their duties and responsibilities. Socialization is a continuous process of social action which starts from birth. Human beings become social beings by adopting social behaviors. This is called socialization. Question number 5. Explain the role of mass media in socialization process. In modern world, the social media also works as the important agency of socialization. The mass media such as radio, television, movies or films, newspapers, magazines utilize literature extensively. Human beings are deeply influenced by advertisements, radio programs, stories, novels, television serials, dance drama, music, posters, and important statements by popular persons. News, quiz, introductory talks, discussion programs introducing various important places and others help the viewers to develop good personality. These are all about the role of mass media in socialization process. Question number 6. Explain the role of neighborhood in socialization process. Neighborhood are the families which reside close to your family. This is a small community having the characteristics of large community. Neighborhood is small in size. Here the people are related to each other, people help each other in many ways. The influence of neighborhood is found both in rural and urban communities. The people of neighborhood live like the members of the same family by sharing their happiness and sorrows. Neighborhood people help each other in festival, fair, marriage, religious rituals and other programs. These are all the role of neighborhood in socialization process.